Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to STEM Genius Point. In the previous lecture, class 9th exercise 4.4, we completed question number 2 and the today lecture is from question number 3. The question number 3 is some numeric values or numeric problems. The question is an investor returns Rx rupees investing x thousand rupees is the given expression. This is the expression of this question, minus x square plus 6x minus 8, and the last term are very important. Find the investment level, that result is return zero रिटर्न हमारे पास इसका आना चाहिए लास्ट में। और ये आपके पास एक कंडीशन के तौर पर दिया होगा कि जब आप उस क्वेश्चन को इन्वेस्टमेंट को सॉल्व कर लेंगे तो लास्ट में जो आपके पास रिजल्ट्स है वो जीरो के बराबर होना चाहिए। समझिए आप, ये आपके पास है, बाय कंडीशन आप इसको यूज करेंगे। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन। वेरी सिंपल एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। दिस इज द रिजल्ट आपके पास दिया हुआ है r इंटू एक्स। दिस इज माइनस एक्स स्क्र प्लस 6x माइनस 8। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टेक अ कॉमन माइनस एक्स स्क्र माइनस एक्स प्लस 8। okay, we make a factors. Make a factor 1 multiply 8 is 8 and 4 2s are 8 and 4 and 2 when we added we get a 6. So we write here minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Now we take some other commons, x minus 4, 2x minus 4. Now the question is completed in the form of x minus 2 and x minus 4. Now we take a condition. This one is the condition of this results. When we write the result is equal to 0, this is the result of some polynomial. We write here x is equal to rx is equal to 0. So we write here by condition, and we must this expression equal to 0. We write here by condition, the all terms becomes equal to 0, and we get the result of x and x. So we write here by condition, this one must be equal to 0, minus into x minus 2 and x minus 4. Minus equal to 0 is equal to 0, and both terms become equal to 0. X minus 4 also equal to 0. We get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. This is the answer of this question, and we can write here as answer 2 and 4. This is the answer of this question. Similarly, the other two questions are very simple and very important. Now we solve it. Okay, firstly we solve the question number 4. Similarly, real life problems, and the question is a polynomial of this term, and the last the condition is also given. The results become equal to 0. Here, where the profit is 0. When we solve this question, and by condition we write p of x is equal to 0. So here the question of solution of this question is x power 3 minus 15x square 75x minus 125. As you see here, x power 3 and 125 is also the power of 5 cube. Okay, so we solve according to the cube formula that we solve from exercise 4.2 question number 3 and 4. This is the cube of 3, 15x square as it is, 75 is as it is, and 125 is the 5 cube. So we close this formula into cubical form. Now as you know that by condition the profit is become equal to 0. So p of x is equal to 0. So we write here this one is 0 and x minus 5 is 3. So x minus 5 becomes equal to 0 and x value, the answer is 5. This is the answer of question number 4. Okay, now the next question is question number 5, where the question is an electric field and potential energy is also given. The potential energy also at the last become equal to 0. Similarly, from this question, by condition p of x is equal to 0, here also the condition is given, v of x becomes equal to 0. So we write first of all from this question, here we see that some values taken as a common, 2, 6 and 4, all multiples of 2. So we write must be common, taking a common is 2. 2 as a common. Okay, first of all we write v of x becomes equal to 2, it must be common. Okay, one more common is also present, x power 3, x power 2 and x. So we take x as common, all these terms, and the other terms that left behind are okay, the other terms are 2 common and x common, x power 2, 3x and also 2. We make the factor of these question 2x and 1x and 2. Now again taking a common, left behind 2 into x minus 2, 1 common, x minus 2. So we write a box bracket right here as x minus 2 and x minus 1. Okay, by the condition the potential energy becomes equal to 0, so v of x is equal to 0. So we write here 0 becomes equal to 2x and x minus 1, x minus 2. First the x value is becomes equal to 0, this one becomes equal to 0, this one equal to 0, this one equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. These are the answer of this question, x is equal to 0, 1 and 2 from this question. Okay, once a second, you can see here, after taking some common, we write all three terms becomes equal to 0, 2x, x minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 2 equals 0. The answer is 0, 1 and 2 from question number 5. So at the last question is, now students, let's start last question. Okay, dear student, this is the last question from this exercise. The conduct question is deflection of beam. Okay, deflection of beam. The question is 2x square minus 8x plus 6. First of all, you can see here the something is common from this question, that is 2. We take 2 as a common, 4x and 3. So we make some factors from this question is 3x and 1x into 3. We take a common of this x minus into 3, 1 into x minus of 3. We can write in the box. So, and the last step, x minus 3 also taking common, x minus 1 left behind. According to condition, the deflection of beam, it becomes equal to 0. So this one is 0, 2 into x minus 3, x minus 1. This is the question. So both terms becomes equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, let's see. You can see here or not. Not. This is the x minus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. These are the answer of this question. Okay, dear students, the exercise is completed and the chapter is also completed. We solve all part of from this exercise. Okay, inshallah, in the next lecture we solve review exercise of chapter number 4. Remember that मुश्किल नहीं, सही रहनुमाई की ज़रूरत होती है. If you like our my channel, or my lecture, you share with your friend and subscribe STEM Genius Point. Okay, inshallah we met again next lecture. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.